Welcome to David Crichton Art Enterprises. I'm Pamela Johnston, and I'm here today to announce the winners of the very first contest that David Crichton Art Enterprises has had on our Facebook page. The winner of the free art print of her choice is Terry Bainbridge from Hinton, Alberta. Terry's a huge supporter of our work and David's work, and it's really great that you've won that, Terry. So we'll be in touch with the information as to how you can pick whatever print you want off of David's web store. The runners-up are Nicola Beresford from Manchester, England, who came to us through our Coronation Street marketing. So Nicola, we're going to send you out 2 Coronation Street note cards. And as well, Valerie Kimber is also a runner-up, and she as well will get 2 David Crichton Coronation Street note cards, which are really lovely. So thanks for your enthusiasm and sharing David's Facebook page and store with your friends. In March, please sign up for our newsletter so that you'll find out about the Art Print of the Month special, contests and events that we'll be involved in, and stay tuned to our Facebook page because we'll keep you posted on those events as well. So thanks for joining us. Take care. Have a great day.